Good morning, students. Myself Harita. So hope everyone are safe. I am here to teach you the 5th class science. So now tell me, if you are coming to the school, what you will see? You will see the vehicles and you will see the plants, right? Trees, big trees and small plants and the small baby plants. Those all you will see, right? So you know how the plants will grow one by one. So somebody will come and plant the trees, right? After that you can see the small baby plants also it will come there. So do you know how it will come? Do you know? So the topic, the lesson of our is reproduction in plants. How the plants reproduction in plants. Now tell me, there is any need to grow the plants? As we have the so many things from the plants. We are getting oil, pelts, pulses, and so many we are getting. Do you know what is the meaning of pulses? That means pappulu. So, and we are getting the wood, right? Wood for you are rubbing any mistake and the rubber, right? So rubber and all these things we are getting from the trees. Okay, trees will give us vegetables and fruits, right? So do you know what are the vegetables and fruits we are getting from the plants? All the vegetables and fruits we are getting from the plants only, right? So plants will give us vegetables and fruits, okay, and plant will give us sugar, pulses and oil. So sugar also we are getting from the plant only, okay, sugar, pulses and oil, and wood, gum, wood, gum. So and we are getting so many things from the plants, okay. So and the main thing we are getting from the plants is oxygen. Now tell me, without oxygen we can live? So in the previous classes, I think so you learned about the what is mean of oxygen and what is the mean of carbohydrate, right? So by what breathing, which air we are breathing, we are living by breathing of the oxygen only we are living. So the main thing we are getting from the plants is oxygen, okay. By these many things we are getting from these many profits we are getting from the plants, right? So these many profits we are getting. So what we have to do means, definitely we have to plant a small plant. We have to plant in our garden or outside of the road or anywhere we can plant the trees, okay. And next, so do you know plants will make as a forest. By having the more plants at one place, it become as a forest, and it will not do the soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion? Means if the water fall down on the soil, the lighter particles on the solid will go on with the water, right? If the plant is there in that place, the plant will not send that smaller particles also from the outside of the with the rain, okay. So the soil erosion also, for reduce the soil erosion also, we have to plant the trees. So don't forget children, these many profits we are getting from the plants. So from yearly once, at least yearly once you should plant one tree, okay. And next, do you know how it will come from, how the plants will come? So if you see the vegetables, in the vegetables we are having the seeds, right? In the vegetables we are having the seeds. Some vegetables are having only one seed and some vegetables are having so many seeds. Now I will give you a work for you. You have to separate the only one or two seeds in the fruit. Which fruits we are having one or two seeds, and which fruit we are having more seeds. So you have to separate. At least for the one item you should write 5. Okay? For the one item you should write 5. Which one we are having the less seeds and which fruits we are having the more seeds. Okay? This is work for you. Don't forget. And if you want any help, you should use your phones and all, or otherwise ask your mother or father. Okay? And next, so how the plants will come? By the seeds. Now if you see here, so